You're being granted an exclusive sneak peek into the Alamos Muay Thai seminar collection. Regarded by many as the greatest foreign Muay Thai fighter of all time, Damien Alamos shares over 2 hours of authentic Muay Femur style training and techniques to enhance your skills at all levels. Featuring Charles Johnson, the duo exhibits unprecedented chemistry and a profound understanding of the intricacies and know-how of teaching real Muay Thai. We're proud to present the Alamos Muay Femur collection.
Fundamentals, yeah, a few rules, important stuff. The first approach of the clinch, I need hand control and I need to be careful of my composure, all right? So as a femur fighter, let's say that he's the Muay Khao. Usually you're closer to a Muay Khao, right?
I love.
You love, all right. So whenever he comes in, whoop, I'm gonna try to get control of his hands and I'm gonna anticipate the movement. I can't just stay and accept this clinch straight away from there. He's gonna be way too strong. All right, so I anticipate by using a bit of footwork. Yeah, I'm going to move. First reaction, did you see also? My shoulders straight away. Boop. As soon as you get close to me, yeah, boop, shoulders here. I want to block that. I want to save my, I want to save my neck, guys. Make sense? Yeah. If you come straight for the neck here, boop, I'm saving it. I don't give him access to the neck with my shoulder, and that's the first thing. I want to defend my shoulders and I want to defend my inside positions. Yeah, because he's looking for a dominant position. I want it as well, but I'm more defensive. So I'm taking my time. Yeah, when he tries, see now, I keep him. And I'm be careful of the knees as well. If he starts to throw like straight knees, poop, I can keep that control here. See that? Because I got control and I'm moving back. And try to anticipate the knees, come on. Poop, I push and then boom, I keep scoring. And I keep him. See that? I can come with those barrage. Just to prevent him to take dominance. Those are the first approach, yeah? I'm here, I move a bit, control. Whoop, see, boom, I didn't let him kick me. That's it, now I'm close.
Very nice.
But look, whenever he wanted to come for that neck, my shoulder was there. So please guys, that's the thing for today. That's the thing you have to remember, yeah? In clinch, using your shoulders to protect your neck. Every time he comes close, I put it in a barrage. Pop. And I just has to move. And if he comes that way again, make sure you take your step away as well. Because if he's pushing here, he's pushing forward, and I don't take my step away, I'm giving him something to get a hold of. Yeah, so whenever he gets strong in a position, I'm gonna take it away. Yeah, I don't give him. I take away his force, yeah? I don't want to match everything he gives. Too easy for him. All right, let's go. And sometimes I match, yeah? I match, but not just enough, and boom, work on the knees. See?
Oh, good grab. And
Shoulder defense. I give it back. So work on simple knees here, yeah? See up. Here, and you get tall when you knee. See that, guys? You don't want to go low. Doesn't work, yeah? Take that step, shoulders up. I get tall.
it doesn't hurt. It just sounds like long slap.
I get tall here as well. Boom. Shoulder defense, guys. Did you see that? Whenever you come close, boop, boop. Put my neck in there. No access. Okay, so we're going to work on that. We're going to have like one dominant and one defensive clinch, okay? I don't want to see both of you battling for power. No sense. We're not learning if we do that. Okay? So one is going to anticipate, take. I fight as a Muay Khao. I keep him. Hup. Hup. And go. Block. I give it back.
Good shit, coach.
Control long range. See, when he knees, I try to destabilize him. Hup. Get some space for knees.
My feet aren't everywhere though, right, coach?
Exactly.
No, just like he's balanced, I'm balanced also. Look, my feet haven't crossed one time. My feet haven't went inside his one time. Yeah, knockout. I mean,
yeah.
Dump.
I'll dump him. Yeah.
Feet.
So you want to control that all the time. If he tries to get you, when he gets aggressive, he tries to put your leg behind, he wants to sweep me or something, poop, I take it away. Very simply. Boop, take it away.
Boop.
Take it away. So that's why I want to be able to move my feet all the time. Footwork is in clinch as well. Don't think that clinch is like, okay, strong on the ground. That's it. No, you have to be able to move as well in clinch. Okay, guys?
No. Every time we gave instruction, it was here. Bop, there we go. Perfect. So you engage with your hands up. Strong, not really boxer style, because he's going to easily pull. You pull and, oh, easy. All right, there's more hand control.
Hand control.
Look at that hand control. His
Straight
hands,
in.
look at his hands, guys.
Palm.
Look. These are called hands. Look at them. Bop, bop.
Forearm as well. So I use this and the forearm as well to control. Even from there, like here, see? I can get stopped with this.
He's stopping elbows. He's stopping knees. He's stopping pulls because of his hands. Good.
Okay, now we're in a close clinch.
Very
No problem.
nice. It's just the entry, guys. Hands up and then engage. Not just, all right, grab me. That'll never work.
Only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description.